guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on a 2014 Skidoo XS chassis, removing and replacing the snow flap. So first you're going to start out by removing all four of these rib nuts. You can just drill them out with a drill bit, use a pair of vice grips to hold onto the back, and they should pop right out. Next, you're going to want to take the appropriate star bit and remove these two bolts holding on the brackets attached to the snow flap. Once you remove the two bolts and the pop rivets, you should be able to just pull the flap straight down and out. Next, reinstall your new snow flap. Reinstall your two star bit bolts holding on the snow flap brackets. Now, on this step, you're going to use a pop rivet gun with the appropriate attachment and reinstall the four pop rivets that you removed at the beginning of the video. Once you're done with your pop rivets, that will be the last step. It should end up like this. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.